Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we will teach you how to make this agua fresca de sandia. This drink is so refreshing for the summer heat, and it's the perfect way to stay hydrated. So we're starting off, of course, with the watermelon. You just want to cut it in half. When you guys are picking up the watermelon at the store, make sure you get the ripest one. They are usually the sweetest. Also, make sure you guys cool your watermelon in the fridge for a couple of hours so your watermelon water comes out cold. For this recipe, we're only using half of this watermelon, so the other half is going back in the fridge. Here we're just cutting it into slices so we can take off the green part. Agua Frescas are Mexico's favorite drinks. You can find them in every restaurant, mercados, and even street vendors. And now, with this recipe, you can even make it at home. This is another simple way you can cut your watermelon. Just make sure you don't cut yourself, guys. A fun fact about Mexican aguas frescas, they usually are made by mixing water with fresh fruits, vegetables, flowers, grains, and then it's mixed with some sugar. The aguas frescas origin started with the drinks that were sold in the Mexican markets known as tianguis. Until this day, every Mexican mercado has at least one agua stand. I personally love all the aguas frescas, but my top 3 favorite ones are the watermelon one, the horchata, and the pepino. If you guys want to try out the horchata agua fresca, check out our video on how to make it. It's also very simple and delicious. And there we have it, all the green is off. What you can do to pick out the best watermelon is to look for well-defined stripes with green and yellow lines. Also check for a large yellow spot at the bottom of the watermelon. Make sure you check the stem. It should be dried up, not green. If the stem area is shriveled and dry, that's a good signal that the watermelon is ripe. Here we're just cutting everything into small pieces and also removing as many seeds as we can. It's okay if you guys cannot get all of these seeds because you can just drain it in a colander after you blend it. And my blender is all the way filled up with watermelon. Now it's time for the sugar. You want to add the sugar depending on how sweet your watermelon is. My watermelon is already pretty sweet, so I'm adding only 2 scoops of sugar. Love summer because we get to make watermelon water, and it's so easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients: water, sugar, and of course the watermelon. Next, I'm adding half a cup of water and I'm taking it to blend. Now that it's ready, I'm gonna pour it into my pitcher and give it a quick mix. Go ahead and add some ice to make it cold. And this watermelon water is ready to be enjoyed. This Sandia water is the perfect refreshing drink to serve during the summer when having picnics, pool day with the kids, and barbecues, just because it's delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this Sandia water and try it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you guys on the next one.